Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to talk about how to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. I think it is difficult to develop C program or applications using flat text editor such as VI editors or something like that. So I recommend integrated development environment, in short IDE. So we need IDE applications. IDE is a software application that give you comprehensive facilities for software development. IDE normally consists of source code editor, build automation tools, and debugger or something like that. IDE is not an option. We have to install and use the IDE applications. What is the best IDE for Ubuntu Linux systems? Just query the Google search engine. I just typed best GNU C IDE on Ubuntu, something like that. Okay. The best C and C++ IDE for Linux to consider in 2020. Okay, we will review quickly best C, C++ IDE and editors to consider for Linux in 2020. Okay, and read this sentence. Read these sentences. Both C and C++ programming languages have made to the 2019 Stack Overflow's list of popular languages, most popular languages. Because of this, we have created this article having all the best C or C++ IDE for Linux. Okay, good. Read this part, these sentences. Now let's discuss the best C or C++ IDE for Linux for 2020. Okay, you can see the C Lion. Its advantages and disadvantages are not suitable for beginners. Slow, not user-friendly, and Eclipse disadvantages, advantages. And disadvantages: large size, difficult to add plugin. Code blocks. How about code blocks? Okay, and then the Visual Studio Code. Free and open source. Visual Studio Code is developed by Microsoft. You can even use it for Linux OS for developing your C++ project. It's a combination of simplicity and powerful developer tools. Other than VSC is lightning fast and option and choice for day-to-day usage. Fast and powerful, support multiple languages and platforms, integrated debugging, easy editing, building, debugging, intelligent code completion, code refactoring and snippet. That means Autumn code editor, Sublime text editor, Code Light, Bracket, Kdevelop, Qt Creator, Vim Editor, Emacs, okay, as you can see, there are so many IDE applications. So anyway, we choose Microsoft Visual Studio Code in this course. From now on, we will learn how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. Just query the Google search engine by typing how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. Just click Visual Studio Code on Linux. Okay, installation. First, you have to download Visual Studio Code. As you can see, there are many Visual Studio codes according to the operating systems: Windows, Debian family, Red Hat family, and Mac OS. Your operating system is Ubuntu, so you have to download .deb packages. .deb packages. Just click download. The easiest way to install Visual Studio Code for Debian Ubuntu based distributions is to download and install the .deb packages. Okay, download is good, so and then you have to install the .deb package. In the command line, you type sudo apt install packages name .deb. Okay, installing the package will automatically install the apt repository and sign-in key to enable auto-updating using the system's package manager. Okay, the installation is good. And then you update the package cache and install the package using these sentences: sudo apt get install, sudo apt get update, sudo apt get install code. Okay, that's it. click Applications, you can see the menus and Development menu, and you can see Visual Studio Code. In this course, we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Ubuntu system. Okay, thank you. See you.